Hello everyone, welcome to WowTech. Today we'll discuss how easily you can import high quality clothing for your brand. If you are clothing brand owner, boutiques owner, or you are going to start your new brand for clothing, today's video for you. For better understanding, we'll discuss everything step by step by a questionnaire style explanation. First question, why should you import clothing from Bangladesh? Because Bangladesh is largest clothing manufacturing country in the world and globally all renowned brand sourcing their clothing from Bangladesh such as Ralph Lauren, Hugo Boss, Michael Kors, Richmond, Tommy Hilfiger, Tom Taylor, H&M, Zara, lot of global brand they are sourcing their qualityful product from Bangladesh. Bangladesh offer skilled worker, high quality standard product, internationally certified factory, and competitive price. So that is why you can select Bangladesh for your production hub. Now question is, what kind of product you can source from Bangladesh? You can source almost all category product from Bangladesh. Now very important question is, how does import process work? Now we'll discuss this thing with 6 steps. Step 1, finding reliable supplier. How we can find reliable supplier? You can find reliable supplier through Google. You can search there clothing manufacturing factory in Bangladesh. Lot of supplier will get there. Or you can search clothing manufacturing supplier or buying house or buying supporting sourcing agent in Bangladesh. You also get lot of supplier over there. Also you can connect with Wartech. They can support you as a partner or your buying sourcing agent in Bangladesh. Then step 2, what information you have to give to your supplier to make product for you. This is simple. You have to give your uh, fabric detail, you have to give your measurement detail, you have to give your fabric quality detail to supplier and sketch and design so they can make sample for you. Or like uh, something you can collect from factory also. You can ask factory, suggest me some style for my brands. They can also suggest you some style. Then you can select from factory or factory design also. Step 3, then you have to bring sample from your factory or your buying agent. Then you can review, you can give comments, and if sample is okay, then you can go for next step. Till step 3, you are just going through the process to starting process of your order. If everything is okay till now, sample is okay for you, then you have to go for order. You have to ask factory to give you PI, then you have to sign this PI or contact with factory. Then you can give it order sheet, then order process will run. Number 5, how you will monitor your product. Is it going good? Quality coming good? Everything is good or not? So this is simple. You can monitor from your country by seeing some videos, photos, monitor the production in the line by videos and photos. Or you can select or you can give a power to one person who is in Bangladesh or one company or buying agent in Bangladesh. So they can monitor your product, they can monitor quality, everything they can see on your eyes. So I think that will be a smart solution for any global brand who want to production in Bangladesh. So they can connect with sourcing agent, buying agent, and then buying agent can support them as a partner, and buying agent can control the quality of factory. Next and final step, step number 6. This is how you will shift. This is very easy. When production done, you have to contact with final inspection. Factory will give packing list, commercial invoice, and other documents, country of origin. After that, according to your advice, they can send through the air or they can send through the sea. If you are a small brand owner or you want to start with very small quantity like 200 pieces, 500 pieces per style, That time you have to face problem with big factory. Sometimes they will not accept to start with very small quantity. But in this problem, Wowtech can support you. Wowtech can do production 200 piece to 500 piece also, and they can arrange courier shipment for you. So there will not be any documents hassle as well. So I think you can start with very less risk, and you can start with very competitive price, and we can start with very good quality through Wartech for your clothing brand. Then what tips importer have to follow to get good quality product? First, we have to go with very reliable supplier. Then you have to make everything with written document. You have to follow the final inspection process, and you have to monitor production process to control the quality. So in this area also, how it can help you, how it can monitor your product, how it can control your product quality. I think this is very simple. If you think you want to start your clothing brand production in Bangladesh, you can contact with Wowtech. Wowtech can support you step by step, and everything make very easy, very comfortable, very reliable for you. Thanks for today. Allah Hafiz.